Good morning, children. Today we are performing an experiment of 12th class biology, and this is slide impression. So today we are discussing about the to prepare temporary acetylcholine stain mount of onion root tip to study various stages of mitosis cell division. And for this experiment, we have to perform minutely, and in this experiment we have to study the different stages of mitosis cell division while preparing the temporary site. So for this experiment we require some requirements, then we will discuss about the procedures, then we will see under the compound microscope and we will take the observation of the different stages of mitosis cell division, and then we will discuss regarding the precaution. So students, first one for the experiment, our requirement for this experiment. So in this experiment we require the slide, important thing, onion bulb, then HCl, acetylcholine, and many more things we require like the dropper, watch glass, petri dish, scissor, test tube holders, gas burner, conical flask, and acetylcholine 10 extra. So these are the basic requirements for the experiment. And for this experiment we have to understand now procedure. For the procedure, first we have to take the onion bulb, and while taking the onion bulb we have to remove the all old roots of the onion bulb. So first one work is to remove the old roots of the onion bulb. After removing the old root of the onion, we have to take one conical flask, and this conical flask we have to fill up with the water. So once we are filling the conical flask with the water, and the onion bulb from which the roots, old roots are removed, we have to keep on the conical flask. But the roots of this onion bulb must be poured with, merged in the water, and we have to keep this one experiment at least 2 to 3 days. So after the 2 to 3 days, what we can observe, we will see that this type of small roots comes out from the onion bulb. So these roots, we have to cut these roots early morning in between the 7 to 8 am during the during the summer season, while the winter season we have to cut the roots 8 to 10:30 am. So this type of, when roots come, these roots first we have to cut with the help of the scissors, and the length of this root, it must be not more than 2 cm long. So we have to cut the roots. So just I am telling to you, these roots we have to cut about 1/2 to 2 cm long. And after cutting these roots, root tips, we have to wash them properly, and then this root tip we have to shift in the one fixative. This fixative is prepared by the 1:2 ratio of the ethyl alcohol and acetic acid. So we have to take the acetic acid and ethyl alcohol in 1:2 ratio. So already I have taken the 1 or 2 tips in the fixative, and this fixative we have to keep it at least for the 5 minutes. So the root tip which I have cut, then it is kept in the now fixative, and this fixative is made up of 1:3 ratio of acetic acid and ethyl alcohol. Now after this we have to take the one plain slide, and this slide should be neat and clean, not to touch the slide in between. Now after fixative, after 5 minutes, we have to shift it on the slide. So this tip of the root we have to shift on the slide. So once we are shifting in the slide, one or two tips we have to take, and it ensures that this tip should not die. Then after this work, we have to put immediately few drops of the HCl. After keeping the few drops of HCl, then we have to warm it properly. So the cell wall of the cell can break after the heating. So we are going for the heating of the onion root tip. Changing the okay. Cut the Now children, we have shifted the onion root tip on the plain side, and then you have to pour some drops of HCl. So after putting some drop of HCl, we have to heat it lightly. So it heat for the 1 or 2 minutes. And you must ensure that the slide should not break. So pour 1 or 2 times HCl. It is the concentrated HCl. Concentrated HCl. 1 or 2 times. And with the help of the test tube holder, we have to heat the slide. Once we are heating the slide, after putting the 1 or 2 times of the HCl, now this becomes warm. Now after this is the acetocarmine, and this acetocarmine is a stain used to color the chromatin present inside the cell. So put the few drops of the acetocarmine. And after putting the acetocarmine, again we have to heat it warm. So this again you see, we are heating this onion root tip by putting the acetocarmine. So we have to do it 2, 3, 4 times, but it ensures that the material should not dry. The material should not dry here. So once we have heated the onion tip, first in the HCl, then we are heated in the acetocarmine state. Now we have to put the cover slip here. Like this. After heating, this is another slide where we have to transfer this heated root tip, because this slide is already become dirty. So once side become dirty, then this onion heated onion root tip we have to shift into another slide, and then it is the cover slip. Cover slip. So covered with the cover slip. So once we are covering with the cover slip, filter paper, we have to take one filter paper, and this filter paper is taken. First I am rolling this cushion paper, filter paper, this slide, and we have to cover the this slide such way. And the slide is covered. Then Now space the slide. This slide spacing must be done. It is done for the 2 to 3 minutes. So after overall spacing of this one, then 1 or 2 minutes spacing must be done. You can do with your pen also or test tube holder also, but it must be ensured that the this cover sheet should not damage, or cover sheet can remain as usual. So once catching this one, then we are getting this slide, and this slide now we have to observe under the low power microscope. So let's I am putting this one under the low power microscope, and if we will see that we are observing there number of cells. Under this low power microscope we are observing the number of cells. Now in these cells, once they are visible in the low power, we have to shift into the high power microscope. And this high power microscope, large number of cells are visible. Then we have to find out the arrangement of the chromatid in the particular cell. So students, in observation, we will come to this observation that in plant cell division, first cells is the interphase cell, which is the resting cell, and this resting stage, its cell division. During the interphase, the preparation of cell division occurs. So during this cell division interphase, replication of the DNA is occurred. So chromosome occurs called network of chromatin thread. So here the chromosomes are occur in the form of network of chromatin. So in the prophase, first we can see in prophase, chromatin material they get condensed into distinct chromosome, and nuclear membrane and nucleolus, it is disappear, and spindle formation take place. So if we will see that here nuclear membrane and nucleolus are disappearing and formation of spindle fiber is occur. So this is the stage of the prophase. After this, some cases in the slides we can see that there will be the metaphase stage also. And during the stage, the chromosome they line up with the center of the equator. So here you can see the chromosomes arranged on the center of equation. If chromosomes arranged on the center of the equator, it's the beta phase. During this, spindle fiber attach themselves with the centromere of other chromosomes. So this is the second phase. Some cases we will find anaphase. In this anaphase, the sister chromatin they begin to separate from each other, and they are called the daughter chromosome, and they move towards the opposite. So if we will find that the daughter chromatin they move toward the opposite pole, and it is the stage of anaphase. But some cases we find that here telophase. In this case, nuclear membrane is formed around the each set of the chromosome. Nucleoli they get reappear, and the chromosome is become uncoiled and lose their staining ability. So here we will see the in plant cell the cell plate is formed, and due to the cell formation the two daughter cells are formed. So if we will see that two daughter cells are formed, this is the last stage of the telophase. So thus in the cell cycle we can see different stages on the different slide. So it is all about the observation. We have to take some precaution while doing this experiment. Number one, the first important, the base of the onion bulb, we have to remove the old root first. Then root tip should be fixed in the morning time, and slide should be gently warmed, and it's much above the flame of the spirit. And while using the apparatus, the apparatus should be neat and clean. So this is all about the